Okay, good news. It comes on, and where's the remote? There it is. So I think it's gonna work. I'm still putting all the screws back in. You wouldn't believe the number of screws in this thing. The problem was your battery connector had melted inside, so I replaced it with a more popular connector. So if you buy a new battery, it'll more than likely be available with this connector on it. It's called an XT60, which means it can handle 60 amps. That's what I use on my drones. Okay. And I think it's ready to take off. Just need to put props on it. Well, I'm going to put the prop guards on it. There we go. And if I turn the radio off, it says, hey, I need a radio. So I think you're good.